welcome back to my channel, Creatively Purple. I'm Carolyn, and today I'm going to reveal to you my latest project that I've been working on for the past couple of weeks. It's my In the Girly House canvas. Let's take a look at it up close, shall we? So guys, let's take a little bit of a closer look to the canvas here. So the font, all the fonts that I have on here, I got off of font bundles, as well as the Rohan app. And I also got a few of the clip arts from the Rohan app as well. And then the rest of the images, like the Disney images, I got off of Google. All right, so now that you guys have seen my awesome canvas, I hope this inspired you. I did add a time-lapse video of this project, so if you're interested in seeing that, then just watch till the end. But the steps that I took for this project was, one, I got full-view designs to cut out my vinyl, and then I painted my canvas, I weeded the vinyl, and then I added transfer tape, and then I transferred it to the canvas. Until next time.